Private Helicopter MRO Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global private helicopter MRO market size will expand at a CAGR of 6.2% from 2024 to 2031. North America private helicopter MRO market size will grow at a CAGR of 4.4% from 2024 to 2031. Europe private helicopter MRO market size will grow at a CAGR of 4.7% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific private helicopter MRO market size will grow at a CAGR of 8.2% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America private helicopter MRO market size will grow at a CAGR of 5.6% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa private helicopter MRO market size will grow at a CAGR of 5.9% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.